The city of Johannesburg is in deep trouble, deep financial trouble, because the city owes 25 billion rands, but it only has 3 billion rands in cash or equivalent. And this is really bad because already the Minister of Finance, Enoch Godongwana, is saying that they are not going to finance the city until Dada Morero stops the increase of salaries of politicians and other officials within the city of Johannesburg, because the salaries will cost the city 10.3 billion rands within 2 years. So this is a simple one, right? All that needs to be done, Dada Morero, all he needs to do is stop the salary increases, and then Godongwane will supply the city with money. Because already I'm just wondering, how will that debt be actually paid off? The 25 billion rands, because the city doesn't have that kind of money. So it means at the end of the day, Godongwane might be able to bail out Johannesburg, because things are very bad. And they're bad at the wrong time, because now obviously Helen Zille is trying to get into Johannesburg as mayor, and she's trying to use this whole situation, and she's saying that the whole city of Johannesburg must be put under financial administration because the city is unable to pay its debt. So yeah, that kind of does make sense at the end of the day. And I'm just wondering, what has Dada Morero been doing? He should have been settling this, because these financial problems are the reason right now in the city of Johannesburg and the surrounding areas we have load shedding like crazy. Even right now, I don't have electricity. It has been gone for the past 20, it's about to reach 24 hours at this point. I think it's like 23 hours. We haven't had electricity, and it doesn't seem like electricity will come back, because there are some areas where electricity has been gone for 3 days. Some of the places it's been gone for 5 days. And when it's gone for 5 days, it's not like that just happens once. You might have electricity for like 2 weeks or 3 days, and then again it's cut off. So the financial problems of Johannesburg are really, really bad. I think at some point these salary increases need to be halted, because how can you be greedy at this point? And 10 billion, how many people are getting paid, and how much are they getting paid? How much is the mayor getting paid? Is he getting paid 500 million a year? Like, now we need to get to look at this financial situation, financial statements, and see what's really going on, because this kind of expenditure is unwarranted, and the city is in decay already. It's not like things are going smooth while we owe 25 billion rands. Like, how is this going to get resolved? I think Dada Morero should